Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use maps on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever phone or tablet maybe you're going to use. Even you can use it in a simulator if you want, as I'm doing right now. And once you do that, you'll have to go and open the Strava application if you already have it downloaded. Of course, if you have it, that will be great. But if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, once it's downloaded, you'll need to go and open it up. And of course, they will ask you to log in into your account if it's your first time. Make sure to log in into your account if you have already an account. But if you don't have an account, they'll provide you with three options to create your account. They will give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option to create your account. So once you're logged in into your account or created your account, let me just go open the app. You'll find yourself here in this home option of this Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to use maps. So here, if you click at the map, of course, you'll be able to choose or to add some routes if you want by just searching on the map, or of course segments. You can choose segments if you want, or if you have some saved things here, you can start using them. Of course, you can click at this option if you don't find yourself, like in here. If you didn't find yourself, you can just click at this option and you'll find yourself on the map. And of course, sorry, so you can actually add some routes, as we said. Sorry, you can start your free trial if you want to add some routes though. And of course, once the free trial ends, you will have to subscribe. So of course, if you are already subscribed, you can just go and actually add some routes and use them whenever you want on your recording here. So of course, here you can just choose whatever activity you want and start recording it, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.